Well, hello everyone. Back again with another model. This time we got a Lamborghini. So I'll get right to it. I'll get it all out of the box. See what we're dealing with. Alright. Okay, we got it all out of the box. Got the parts laid out here. Nice seats in this one. That'll look good in the white paint job. Two sets of wheels to choose from. I usually go with the chrome. Alright. Time to get to work. Okay, this one's coming along pretty good. We got a couple more steps. We'll have it put together. Alright, I'll get some close-up pictures of it. Then we'll see if we can find somewhere to park it up on the shelf. Alright. This is usually not too difficult. I have got a few models that used a hard compound rubber tire and it'll work a little while with those, but these are not too bad. Good look. All right. All right, we're really close now. Just a couple more parts and a couple of screws and a decal. And I think we'll be looking good. All right, let me get to work and finish this one up. Alright, I did find a parking spot. Good looking car. Really nice. Nice interior. Wheels. I like the white paint. Alright, I appreciate y'all watching the video. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. I appreciate it. All right. We'll see you on the next build. All right. Bye-bye.